right, like I was telling our viewers, those are pictures coming in from the hospital, viewers. These are pictures coming in from the hospital. First on Republic TV of the BJP MP who was admitted to the hospital. What you see on your screen, Union Ministers Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Prahlad Joshi are meeting BJP MPs Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput at the RML hospital. They were admitted here after sustaining injuries during the jostling with the India Alliance MPs. Now, those are pictures coming in. Those are pictures coming in where they see that Union Ministers and BJP MPs and BJP leaders are there at the hospital. This is the RML hospital to see how is BJP MP Pratap Sarangi doing. They're checking up on him. First on Republic, pictures coming in. And remember, this is happening as simultaneously both the India Alliance and the BJP-led NDA MPs are carrying out protests today over the B.R. Ambedkar issue. So back-to-back updates coming in on Republic TV, viewers. Those pictures coming in, viewers, where BJP MP Pratap Sarangi has been hospitalized and he's getting some visitors. Now, remember, let's give you a little background. And Riyanka's coming in. Riyanka, I was asking you about the health of the BJP MP Pratap Sarangi. Those pictures are coming in right now. But I just want to read once more what Pratap Sarangi said. Rahul Gandhi pushed an MP who fell on me, after which I fell down. I was standing near the stairs when Rahul Gandhi came and pushed an MP who then fell on me. And he has got quite serious injuries, Riyanka. Go ahead.
That's right, not just Pratap Sarangi, but what we're getting to know, BJP MP Mukesh Rajput have also, suffered injuries during this push and pull situation that has happened in the parliament during the protest of BJP and the Congress party. What we are now knowing that leaders, top BJP leaders such as Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Prahlad Joshi, Piyush Goyal have all now visiting the injured BJP MPs Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput. Well, what we know that Mr. Sarangi has received stitches as he had got injured in his head. On the other hand, as per the leaders, we are getting to know that Mukesh Rajput, the BJP MP, has been admitted in the ICU. So very, very severe situation there coming in. And Rahul Gandhi has to say that these things happen. And he also goes ahead and says, yes, I pushed because I was not allowed to enter the parliament. On the other hand, there are videos also that has captured this very moment claiming that it was Rahul Gandhi who had pushed the BJP MPs, after which two of them suffered injuries. And now the BJP is already doubling down its attack on Rahul Gandhi, given the fact that they are saying all the legal action, all that is required to be, taken against Rahul Gandhi will be taken into consideration, because BJP has made it very clear that because they respect the constitution and the democracy, they do not involve in physical agitation. But the Congress party led by Rahul Gandhi has in fact, undergone this very situation. He has been involved in a physical assault of the BJP MPs.